this is where we show our praise and show our worship. So I want everybody, while we're singing this song, to show the way you praise, the way you worship. Just give it all to the Lord.